15 Intermittent Fasting Weight Loss Tips for Effortless Success. Want simpler fat burning? Discover a natural eating pattern that can help you lose weight more easily. Before we reveal 15 effortless tips for weight loss using intermittent fasting, please remember this video offers general wellness information and is not medical advice. If you have any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional. Science-backed resources are in the description below. Ready for easier weight loss? Excited for natural weight loss strategies? Hit like, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share with those wanting simpler fat-burning methods. Welcome back to our daily health. Today, we're exploring a popular and often effective approach for sustainable weight loss, focusing on when you eat. This can be a flexible and manageable way to support fat burning and overall well-being. We're sharing 15 actionable tips to make your journey smoother. We'll focus on natural methods and practical advice to help you integrate this into your life effortlessly and achieve your weight loss goals through effective fat burning. Let's get started on your path to simpler success. Number 1. Begin gradually with shorter fasting periods. Don't rush into long fasting times. Start with a 12-hour overnight fast. Many already do this while sleeping. This allows your body to gently adapt to the concept of not eating for a set period. Once comfortable, gradually extend your fasting window by just an hour or two each week. This slow and steady approach makes intermittent fasting weight loss more comfortable, reduces the likelihood of intense hunger pangs, and helps build a sustainable habit. Number 2. Select an intermittent fasting method that fits your life. There are different ways to structure your intermittent fasting. The 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window for eating, is popular for its simplicity. The 5-2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days and significantly restricting calories, around 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting involves alternating between days of normal eating and days of severe calorie restriction or complete fasting. Point 1. Research each method. Consider your daily schedule, social life, and energy levels, and pick one that feels like it can realistically become a part of your long-term routine for consistent weight loss. Number 3. Stay well hydrated during your fasting windows. During your fasting periods, it's crucial to drink plenty of calorie-free fluids. Water is essential, but you can also enjoy unsweetened herbal teas or black coffee. These beverages can help you feel fuller, which can be particularly helpful in managing initial hunger pangs. Staying hydrated also supports your body's natural detoxification processes and overall function during fasting, indirectly aiding in fat burning. Number 4. Prioritize nutrient-rich whole foods when you eat. When your fast is over and your eating window begins, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with essential nutrients. Load up on a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, choose lean sources of protein like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils, and include healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. This ensures your body gets the vitamins, minerals, and fiber it needs, supports healthy metabolism, and promotes sustainable weight loss rather than just calorie restriction. Number 5. Pay attention to your body and adjust your fasting times. Intermittent fasting should be a positive and empowering experience. Pay close attention to how your body responds to your chosen fasting schedule. If you consistently experience excessive fatigue, dizziness, extreme irritability, or other negative symptoms, it's a sign that your current approach might not be right for you. Don't hesitate to adjust your fasting window, the frequency of your fasts, or even try a different intermittent fasting method. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance. Number 6. Use fiber-rich foods to naturally control hunger. Incorporating plenty of high-fiber foods into your eating window is a natural and effective way to manage hunger, especially as you adjust to intermittent fasting. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits with edible skins, whole grains like oats and quinoa, and legumes, beans, and lentils are digested slowly. This slow digestion promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, helping to reduce overall calorie intake and support fat burning throughout your intermittent fasting journey. Number 7. Ensure you get enough sleep for healthy hormones. Quality sleep plays a vital role in regulating the hormones that control your appetite, metabolism, and stress levels. When you're sleep deprived, your body tends to produce more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the satiety hormone, which can lead to increased cravings and make weight loss more challenging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to optimize your hormone balance and support your intermittent fasting weight loss efforts. Number 8. Be mindful of your calorie intake even during your eating windows. While intermittent fasting can naturally help reduce overall calorie intake by limiting your eating window, it's still important to be mindful of the quantity and quality of food you consume during your eating periods. Consuming excessively high-calorie foods, even within your designated eating time, can negate the calorie deficit needed for weight loss. Focus on balanced meals and avoid overeating to maximize the fat-burning benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 9. Incorporate gentle exercise into your daily life. Regular physical activity complements intermittent fasting beautifully for achieving weight loss and improving overall health. You don't need to engage in strenuous workouts. Even incorporating gentle exercise like brisk walking, yoga, cycling at a moderate pace, or swimming can significantly boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and support fat burning. Choose activities you enjoy to make exercise a sustainable part of your routine. Number 10. Manage stress levels through relaxation techniques. Chronic stress can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased appetite, particularly for unhealthy foods, and promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. During your intermittent fasting journey, prioritize stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, mindfulness practices, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Reducing stress can positively impact your hormone balance and support your weight loss goals. Number 11. Break your fast gently with foods that are easy to digest. When you end your fast and begin your eating window, it's wise to choose foods that are easily digestible, especially if you've been fasting for a longer period. Opt for lighter options like fruits, cooked vegetables, broth-based soups, or a small portion of lean protein. This allows your digestive system to gradually adjust and helps prevent discomfort or bloating. Number 12. Be patient and stay consistent with intermittent fasting. Weight loss is a journey, not a race, and your body needs time to adapt to intermittent fasting. Don't get discouraged if you don't see dramatic results immediately. Focus on consistency with your chosen fasting schedule and healthy eating habits. Over time, with patience and persistence, you'll likely experience sustainable weight loss and other health benefits. Number 13. Stay away from sugary drinks and processed foods. Sugary drinks like sodas and juices, as well as processed foods that are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients, can significantly hinder your weight loss efforts and negatively impact your overall health. These foods are typically high in calories and low in essential nutrients, providing little satiety. Limiting or completely eliminating them from your diet will maximize the fat-burning potential of intermittent fasting and support your well-being. Number 14. Consider natural ways to curb appetite in small amounts. Certain natural foods and drinks have properties that may help suppress appetite. Green tea contains compounds that can aid in reducing hunger. Diluted apple cider vinegar may also have a similar effect for some individuals. However, these should be used in moderation and as complementary tools. The foundation of managing hunger during fasting should be proper hydration and focusing on filling nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Number 15. Track your progress and celebrate small achievements. Keeping track of your intermittent fasting schedule, the foods you eat during your eating window, and your weight loss progress can be incredibly motivating. Use a journal, a dedicated app, or even a simple spreadsheet to monitor your journey. Acknowledge and celebrate small milestones along the way. This positive reinforcement can help you stay committed and build momentum towards your weight loss goals. Bottom line, by starting slowly, finding a method that fits your life, staying hydrated, prioritizing whole foods, and being consistent, you can harness its power for effective fat burning and sustainable weight loss. Remember that listening to your body and making gradual changes are key to long-term success. Which of these weight loss tips for intermittent fasting do you find most helpful or plan to implement? Are you currently using intermittent fasting? And what are your personal strategies for success? Share your experiences, insights, and any questions you have in the comments below. We truly value your participation and learning from each other. Thank you for watching. If you found these intermittent fasting tips for easier weight loss useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful natural health and wellness advice, and share it with your friends and family who may be interested in achieving their weight loss goals with intermittent fasting. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take excellent care.